Are you ready to unlock unlimited TV content with IPTV on your smart TV? Let's dive in. First, ensure your TV is connected to the internet. Wi-Fi or Ethernet works perfectly for this setup. Now, head to your TV's app store where you'll find the application needed for IPTV playback. Search for an IPTV app like Smart IPTV, IPTV Smarters, or similar options depending on your TV model. Download and install the app. Get ready for a world of channels and shows at your fingertips. Visit 2tv.store where you'll find premium IPTV service, offering global channels and vast content selection. Purchase a subscription from 2tv.store, ensuring you have access to the latest movies, shows, and channels. On the IPTV app, enter your subscription credentials from 2tv.store to begin streaming instantly. Explore the interface. Sort by genres, languages, or recent releases to customize what you want to watch. Experience smooth streaming with no delay, thanks to 2tv.store's optimized service for top-notch quality. Discover on-demand content. Enjoy movies, series, and even sports channels with no added fees. Hit the settings to adjust your preferences, subtitles, and audio to match your viewing pleasures. For any issues, reach out to 2tv.store's support. Their team is responsive and ready to assist. Consider adding extras like parental control features if children are accessing the content regularly. Stay updated with new releases by enabling notifications of fresh content directly on your TV. Enjoy your enhanced TV experience with your smart TV and IPTV, opening new entertainment dimensions.